market, we can see that the value score is a 1 out of 6. This is looking bad. Why is this bad? It's because I was unable to calculate intrinsic value for new age beverages to establish if it is available at moderate discount. We could see it's unable to calculate intrinsic value for new age beverages to establish if it is average at a substantial discount. New age beverages is loss making. We can compare its value to the US beverage industry. But the good news, new age beverages is good value based on assets compared to the US beverage industry average. We can look at the future. We can see that the expected annual growth rate 90.6% annual growth in earnings. Estimated growth in earnings. We can look at this. The estimated earnings growth very high, very healthy, very good. You can see the actual and the estimated. It's a little bit of a difference. You can see the estimated is a little bit of off from the actual. We can look at the past and the future earnings per share. We can see it's looking much better in the 2020, 2021. So in the future, we're looking at what? In the future, it must seem to be able to have a lot of growth potential. It's unable to establish if new age beverages will efficiently use shareholders' funds in the future without estimates of return on equity. When we look at the past is looking poor. We can see new age beverages does not make a profit, and the year-on-year earnings growth rate was negative over the past 5 years. It's unable to compare new age beverages 1-year earnings growth to the 5-year average, as it is not currently profitable. Unable to compare new age beverages 1-year growth to the US beverage industry average, and it is not currently profitable. We can look at the revenue. The revenue is looking good, the earnings looking poor. So when you look at the performance of the previous years, all bad. It is difficult to establish if new age beverages has efficiently used shareholders' funds last year. Return on equity greater than 20%, as it is in the loss making. We can look negative 14.88%, negative 14.49%, negative 16.04%. That's the return on equity. The return on assets at minus 14.49%, and the return on capital at minus 14.88%. This is looking bad. You can see it is difficult to establish if new age beverages has efficiently used its assets last year compared to the US beverage industry average return on assets that is in the loss making. It is difficult to establish if new age beverages improved its use of capital last year versus 3 years ago return on capital employed, as it is currently loss making. But the good news is the health. This company is looking rather healthy. This is why it's looking healthy. That assets to liabilities, new age beverages is able to meet its short-term 1-year commitments with its holdings of cash and other short-term assets. New age beverages cash and other short-term assets cover its long-term commitments. We can look at the net worth equity. We can see it's looking much better than its debt. New age beverages level of debt 4.6 compared to the net worth is satisfactory, less than 40%. This is looking good. The level of debt compared to the net worth has been reduced over the past 5 years. This is looking good, 915.9% versus 4.6% today. The operating cash flow is negative, therefore debt is not well covered. New Age Beverages is making a loss, therefore interest payments are not well covered by earnings. We look at the dividend, we already know that New Age Beverages has not been offering any dividends. Zero, zilch, nada, zero. When we look at the management, we can see the CEO, Brent Willis, 57 years old, tenure 3 years, compensation $200,000. And there's this guy right here. So Mr. Brent David Willis has been the Chief Executive Officer of New Age Beverages Corporation since March 24, 2016. Mr. Willis served as Chief Financial Officer of New Age Beverages and Corporation since March 2016 until October 2016. Mr. Willis has been an executive chairman and director of XFIT Brands Inc. Since September 2014, Mr. Willis has been the majority owner and chairman and chief executive officer of a number of private equity-backed companies, including Unified Learning, LLC, Beverages, Life Sciences Inc., and Throwdown Industries Inc. since 2008. Mr. Willis served as the Chief Executive Officer, President, and Secretary at Electronic Cigarettes International Group, formerly Victor Electronic Cigarettes Corporation, from June 25, 2013 to April 8, 2015. It's very good to know this information. Mr. Willis served as the Chairman and the Chief Executive Officer of Liberty Ammunition Inc. So we could see he has a lot of experience. He serves as the Chief Executive Officer, President, Secretary, Director of TechMine Industries Inc. He served as the Treasurer of TechMine Industries Inc. until July 9, 2013. He served as the Chief Executive Officer of Vascular Technologies Inc. since July 2008. He served as Treasurer of Victory Electronic Cigarettes Corporation until 2013. He served as the Chief Executive Officer of Ultralight Technologies Inc. since July 2008 and served as its Chairman of the Board. Mr. Willis served as the President and Chief Executive Officer of Cobb Corporation from 2006 to March 24, 2008. Mr. Willis served as the President of Asia Pacific Zone, and we can see it goes on and on. So he has a lot of experience. He served at the Cobb Corporation from May 16, 2006 to March 24th. Holds a Bachelor of Science degree in Engineering from the U.S. Military Academy at West Point in 1982 and an MBA from the University of Chicago in 1991. So he's also educated. So Brett's remuneration is lower than average for companies of similar size in the United States of America. Brent's compensation has increased while companies are loss-making. So he's making more while everyone else is losing. That's interesting. So we can see the board of directory, and we can look at the average tenure for the New Age Beverage board directors, less than 3 years. This suggests a new board. And no 3-month insider trading information. And we know there's no major news in the short term, except the infused drinks. And we know that this company is based on many drinks, from tea, coffee, kombucha, energy drinks, coconut water, functional waters. Pretty much they make all kinds of drinks, and they have all these products: cold brew, Coco Libre, PDS, Spin Pure, pH. And this company sells products across 50 states in the United States and has approximately 10 countries internationally through direct and store door distribution systems. New Age Beverage Corporation is headquartered in Denver, Colorado. And we can see that it's headquartered in Colorado. And thanks for watching, guys. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you guys check out my other New Age beverage videos. And also make sure you guys look forward to my new upcoming New Age beverage video. So smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and see you guys next time on my next New Age beverage video. Thanks for watching.